person checks the cow at early dawn, but something in the udder feels all wrong. The milk is clotted, swollen, warm to touch. Pain in the quarter matters very much. Mastitis comes from pathogens that stay, like strep, staph, and coliforms in hay. Poor hygiene or injury at the teat can lead to infection in the heat. Mastitis signs can rise and spread. Don't delay, get ahead. Vet's diagnosis leads the way to treat the cow without delay. High somatic cells in milk appear. Yield goes down through the year. Inflammation must be addressed to give the udder time to rest. Prevent with clean bedding and good milking care. Disinfecting hands and teeth wear. Dry cow therapy can help a lot. Routine checks must not be forgot. Mastitis signs can rise and spread. Don't delay, get ahead. Vet's diagnosis leads the way to treat the cow without delay. Culling may follow if chronic stays, but early care helps most always. A person's watch helps catch it quick before the symptoms become too thick. From udder health to milking line, each small act protects the